Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by securing the QR artwork. Generate a clear PNG or SVG at 1024 x 1024 so scanning remains reliable. Once done, save it to your device or cloud where VN can import. Open VN Editor and create a new project at your target resolution, then import the QR file into the media bin. Make sure to disable any auto-compress settings, because compression can break scan accuracy. Now tap the QR asset to add it to your timeline as the first visual layer. With the QR on the timeline, position it as an overlay above your footage. You want it prominent but unobtrusive. Use the scale control to make the QR at least 15% of the frame width. This keeps it scannable on phones. Once placed, check different aspect ratios by toggling preview modes and adjust position so the QR stays in a safe zone away from edges and motion. If you expect motion behind the code, add a subtle contrasting box to preserve contrast for scanners. Export your final video at the original project resolution and minimal compression. Aim for 0.2% or a lossless format if available. Lower quality can break QR patterns. Once exported, immediately test the QR with multiple scanning apps in different phones, because one scanner might tolerate issues another won't. If scanning fails, increase the QR size, add a high-contrast background or border, and re-export at higher quality. Troubleshooting tip: if small artifacts appear, switch to PNG/SVG insertion and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.